Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can use two WhatsApp accounts at the same time on OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. In order to use two accounts at the same time in the WhatsApp, without having to log out and log in to another account all the time, you can actually clone the WhatsApp app that allows you to use two different accounts on two apps. So let's open the settings, and then over here we need to open apps, go to app cloner, and then choose WhatsApp. Of course, you will need to download WhatsApp from Google Play Store first, and once you install it, then you should be able to create the clone. And when you create the clone, you can go back, for instance, to the home screen, and you should be able to find two WhatsApp apps. Now, in the first one, you will probably already be logged in, and on the other one, if you go and enter the cloned app, then you will be able to use a completely different account. You will have completely different data in this app. It works pretty much like a separate app. And even if you open the app drawer, you will see two WhatsApp apps next to each other. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.